today's video, I want to do a review over some all rubber tire replacements I got for one of these fuel cans. The ones that come with it, I got these on Amazon eons ago, and they're still working great. They've been broken a little bit. The hand pump, I'll go over in a second, the replacement for that. But the biggest thing that kept coming up for me is the wheels would keep losing air pressure. And it was so challenging to roll this thing around, especially when it's full. It was just such a headache. So I've been keeping my eye out for some all rubber tires that fit the same thing. So I'm gonna put a link to what fuel can this is, or at least the closest equivalent, and a link to the tires down below. But I'm gonna lower the camera and then show you what they look like. So on this angle, these are the rubber tires. I'll put the specs on them in a second. The ones that come with this, these were an exact fit. I literally undid this bolt. I had two washers on it. I pulled the washers off, put them back on, and it works great. They're all rubber. These things, I guess time will tell, but it has already been a night and day difference with carrying when one of these are full. And if you have one of these tanks, these tires, I would just purchase these tires and wheels, these as soon as you get this one. It's gonna just save you a headache so fast. But that's it. I'll put a link to both of these, and thanks for watching.